The third resource that I'd like to offer a tutorial for is called Mindomo. This is an online platform for the creation of digital mind maps and other organizational outlines that students can create and submit on their own. So I selected this because I wanted to give my students an organized and neat way to create mind maps, especially for our things like novel studies and character mapping. This ties into our standards in fifth grade because students will be able to explain how series of chapters or events within the character's experience will fit together to provide the overall structure of a novel that we're reading. They'll also be able to present these mind maps both to their peers and to parents at student-led conferences. Mindomo is a really cool resource because there are a whole lot of different ways that you can use it and map out your thoughts. But I really like that if you hover over one of these types of mind maps, it will give you an explanation about what exactly it's used for and what the benefits are of selecting this specific mind map. So for now, we'll select thinking hats, and we're going to use this to show the different thoughts that a character has in a story. So let's say, for example, we're going to talk about Meg from the story A Wrinkle in Time. On the one hand, Meg wants to find her father, and we could give some details here, some critical thoughts that she might have, or some examples for in-text citation. She's also scared of the unknown and very unsure. So this is just a very rudimentary example about the ways that these different mind maps can be used. However, if you want to use it with fidelity, this access bar over here can show you exactly how the mind map was intended. I think it's also important to show students in the fifth grade that they can use their critical thinking skills to utilize these tools in different ways. So if we wanted to use this as a character map, we might do that. This also might be a really great activity to do as a first day of school get to know you type assignment, and so I look forward to implementing just this very scratch the surface assignment into my classroom, and I really look forward to implementing and incorporating Mindomo more frequently as we kind of move toward a blended learning approach or completely virtual education this year.